Before in the classes, we have studied about similarity criteria like AA criteria, SSS criteria. Today we will be studying about one more criteria called as SAS criteria. SAS means side angle side. What the statement of SAS criteria says, we will see that first. In two triangles, if ratios of two corresponding sides and included angle are equal, then the triangles are similar. So now let us analyze the statement in two triangles. For example, now there are two triangles. Name it as ABC and DEF. Now in two triangles, if ratios of two corresponding sides, the statement says that we have to take any two sides as corresponding sides. Now for AB, corresponding side will be DE, and for AC it will be DF, and for BC it will be AF. I will take AB, DE, AC and DF as corresponding sides. They are told that if ratios of two corresponding sides. Now if I give value for this AB like 3, then for DE 6, for AC 2, for DF 4. Now let me give ratios of two corresponding sides. Ratios means we have to divide one corresponding side by other. Ratio of corresponding side means AB by DE. This ratio should be equal to the other corresponding side, that is AC by DF. Now the value of AB is 3 and DE is 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. Then value of AC is 2 and DF is 4. 1 by 2. Now this is one option of one situation of SAS. Then SS is done. Then A is remaining. Now this is satisfying, means two corresponding sides are equal, and included angle also must be equal. Included angle means I have taken these two sides AB and AC as these two sides. Included angle means the angle which is between these two sides. Means here included angle will be A and in this included angle will be D. With this, if angle A is equal to angle D, if this all satisfies for these two triangles, then the statement says that these two triangles will be similar. Now we will mathematically prove that. Firstly, according to the statement, we will draw the figure. In two triangles, means there are two triangles. ABC and DEF. This much. Now we will write data. What is there in data? In two triangles, if ratios of two corresponding sides will be AB, DE, AC and DF. Ratios means divided by AB by DE will be equal to AC by DF. Firstly, you have to write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Firstly, you have to write this. Then angle A, which will be the included angle for first triangle, will be equal to angle D. Angle A will be equal to angle D. Now, next will be to prove. What we have to prove in this by this statement? We have to prove that if these two things satisfies, then the triangles will be similar. This we have to prove. Which triangles? Triangle ABC must be similar to triangle DEF. Now, next step is by default it will be proof. But for proof, if we see these two triangles, we can't do anything. So, for that, I will do a small construction. What is the construction? The construction will be like this. I will mark 2 points on DE and DF. The points will be P and Q. These P and Q points are marked in such a way that the measurement of DP will be equal to the measurement of AB, and the measurement of DQ will be equal to the measurement of AC. Then I will join P to Q. AB measurement will be equal to DP. AC's measurement will be equal to DQ. Now we will write what we have constructed in the construction. Construction. Mark P and Q such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DF, and join P to Q. Now this much is finished. Next step is proof. We will go to proof. Now first step in SAS criteria. First what we have to prove? We have to prove in this that triangle ABC and triangle DPQ are congruent. First we will prove that. Consider triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. In this, what all similar or congruent things we can see, we will write that first. In this, AB is equal to DP first. And next is AC is equal to DQ. Reason for writing this is that we have constructed in such a way that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Reason will be for this construction. What other things we can see? We can also see that angle A is equal to angle D. How much angle A is inclined? That much angle D is also inclined. Now, for the reason is data. In the data we have written, so reason will be data. Now, we have got these three things. Now, from these three things, we can prove that these both triangles are congruent. By this postulate, there are two sides, means S and S, two sides and one angle A. From this, the postulate we get is according to SAS postulate. Which triangle? Triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle DPQ. This much is over. Now what we proved is that this triangle ABC is congruent to DPQ. Means if we superimpose this triangle ABC on this triangle DPQ or this triangle DPQ on this triangle ABC, they will look like a same figure. Next step is we have to move to data. Half of the data we have to write. We know that AB is equal to DE. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Now if we write AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, we have no use because we have proved that this triangle ABC is congruent to DPQ and we have not proved that this triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. So in the place of AB we can write DP and in the place of AC we can write DQ because of construction. So in the place of AB I will write DP divided by DE is equal to, in the place of AC I will write DQ by DF. Now what is here we have wrote that DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. From this we can it is said that intercepted, this is the intercepted part and this is the complete part of the triangle. This is also an intercepted part and this is also the complete part of a triangle. From this we can remember a corollary of one theorem, that is Thales theorem. What does the corollary 3 of Thales theorem says? That when this PQ line is parallel to EF, then intercepted by complete is equal to intercepted by complete equals intercepted by complete. But directly we can't apply corollary 3 of Thales theorem because we don't know that PQ is parallel to EF. So we will apply converse of corollary 3 of Thales theorem. What does converse of corollary 3 of Thales theorem says? If intercepted by complete equals intercepted by complete equals intercepted by complete, then these two lines means PQ and EF will be parallel to each other. So from this what we get to know is that, which implies this PQ line will be parallel to EF. So this much we understood. Next thing, if PQ and EF, if these two are parallel lines, if two lines are parallel, some angles will be equal. First angle, that will be corresponding angles. Corresponding angles will be equal if lines are parallel. In this, first corresponding angle will be, this angle P will be equal to angle E. And this angle Q will be equal to angle F. What is the reason for this? Reason for this is they both are corresponding angles. So we understood that P is equal to E, angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Now now in the place of P we can write P because before we have proved these two triangles are congruent. We have proved these two triangles are congruent means this angle P and angle P will be corresponding angles and this angle C and angle Q will be corresponding angles. And we know if two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding angles will be equal. So in the place of P, I can write B, angle B will be equal to angle E, and angle in the place of Q I can write C, angle C will be equal to angle F. Now we understood that angle B, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle F. This much we understood. Means in these two triangles, three angles are also equal. By this, what one angle we have written in the data, rest two angles we have proved that they are equal. Now, according to which criteria? There are three angles. So, AA criteria. Which triangle? Triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF. So hence the proof. We have proved that in two triangles, if ratios of two corresponding sides and included angle are equal, then the triangles are similar. Thank you.